Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Matic chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding above this ascending trend line that we have been holding above it, and you can see that as long as we continue holding above it, then we can expect higher prices and maybe also see a break above resistances. And the next key area of resistance that I'm keeping my eyes on is at around the $0.678 mark, and the moment you manage to break above that, get a successful retest, then there are high chances that Matic might see the key area of resistance at around the $0.7114 mark, and a break above that, then we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get to the Elliot structures, it's also wise to note that in case we get rejected by this key area of resistance, then we can expect a bit of a pullback to the support, that is the trend line that we have here on the charts, at around the $0.6583 mark. And if by any chance we hold above that ascending trend line, then we can continue expecting higher prices and we can expect our bounce back once more. But if by any chance we lose that ascending trend line, then we can expect further pullback to the key area of support at around the $0.6227 mark, where we can either find support and continue gearing up. And getting to the Elliot structures, you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive breakdown in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.52 mark. Then afterwards, we have been seeing this nice recovery to the upside, where you can see that we have now picked in that 1-2 setup. Then we have this other 1-2 setup, terming this as a wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And in the formation of the second wave, you can also see that we have also managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And there are high chances that the low for the second wave is in, and Matic is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. So there are chances that as long as we continue holding above our ascending trend line, see a break above resistance at around the $0.678 mark, then we can continue gearing up and fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And for us to also say that we are in the formation of this wave 3 and to confirm that we are back in an impulsive move, then we also need to see a break above the wave 1 high. And the moment we see a break above the wave 1 high, then that will be confirming to us the start of another impulse in the formation of that wave 3. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term point of view. And zooming out to give you my long-term point of view here on the phantom chart, on the Matic chart, where you can see that after seeing our November lows last year, we saw a very nice 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have also managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And you can see that we fully maximized our yellow target area, and there are chances that the low for the second wave is in, and we are now ready for that massive pump in the formation of this wave 3. And all we need to see here on the charts is a confirmation that the low for the second wave is in, where I'm expecting Matic to give us a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a movement, then that is enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse has now started. And as long as we don't see such a scenario, there are still chances that Matic might give us one more new low in the formation of this wave 2 before we can start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 45 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.